Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, again, a very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. Please go through the disclaimer. Okay, so let's start with the Nifty 50 setup. So yesterday we downgraded the market to under pressure. So because you can see over here, the volume was very high while selling, and the 50 DMA was cut. Hence, we shifted the market status to trend under pressure. So that was the fourth consecutive session when Nifty went lower. And the day before yesterday, it did breach its 21 DMA and closed exactly at the 50 DMA. So there was a hope that 50 DMA might give good support, but the 50 DMA was breached and the market closed near the day's low, plus volume was high. So distribution day count, which indicates the weakness in the market, has increased to 4 and the 50 DMA is down. So we have downgraded the market to under pressure. So you need to be very careful now in this condition with your positions. The stocks that you are holding, if they are breaching the key moving averages on a relatively higher volume, then it's better to book profit or cut losses. And according to O'Neill methodology, any stock which is down 7 to 8% from your buy price should be exited ideally if you have bought it from a good buy zone. So you need to practice cautious whenever the markets are under pressure and the 50 DMA is breach. However, when you see that okay, the 50 DMA reclaim हो गया है या 21 DMA reclaim हो गया है, you can always bounce back into the market and start making your gains. So for today, I think now the recent low was over here. So once 50 DMA is cut, so 21710 plus this is 100 DMA. The pink line is the 100-day moving average, and that is also close to similar level. So I think for today's session, 100-day DMA will be crucial because many a times it happens like after you cut the 50 DMA, the 100 DMA acts as a good support and the market can settle around that level. So hopefully that is possible over here now. So let's watch out if this around 21,700 के around के level पे market hold करके कितना rebound करता है. Okay, moving ahead with the key news. Infi reported its Q4 numbers. The operation revenue from operation fell 2.3% QOQ. Profit growth was good. It was above estimate broadly, but the guidance missed the estimates, and that's why that was a bit weak. सिर्फ 1 to 3% का guidance दिया Infosys ने. Bajaj Auto का Q4 revenue बढ़ के 29% आया. Sales growth was up around 24% to 10.6 lakh unit, and profits are 35%. ISEC's Q4 FY24 revenue from operation grew around 75%, while the profit surged more than 100%. These are good news. HUDCO received a Navaratna status from the Department of Public Enterprises, OPE, and yesterday FI sold stocks worth more than 4,000 crore, while DIA continues to buy, which is more than worth 2,000 crore. If you look at the global market, I think till the US market closed, things were looking quite settled. There was no major negative news coming from the Middle East. But I think in the morning, there were news that Israel also strike back on Iran, which was like the people were expecting, especially the global leaders were pushing for no major war escalation from the Iran side. sorry, from the Israel side, but they started the attacks on the Iran, and that's what you can see over here. The Nikkei is down more than 3%, Kospi is down more than 3%. Shanghai अपने पे चलता है, so China market is a quite different one. But yeah, the global markets are down. You can see Dow का future भी है, वो भी बहुत down है, almost 350-400 पॉइंट Dow future down है. So might be a tough day at work today. Um, the week closing might not be that great, and there will also be the looming pressure of weekend. कि भाई weekend में कुछ war में escalation हो गया है, ये वो. So there are chances that people might just a lot of their positions. So let's see how the Indian market reacts. The opening is expected to be very low. That is expected to be the level around which I was talking. 21,700 800 के बीच में निफ्टी एक बार ओपन हो सकता है. We might get some major gap down today, or at least to more than 200 points, 300 points जितना gap down मिल जाएगा. Uh, okay, so yeah, 200-250 पॉइंट का गैप डाउन हो सकता है आज. एंड देन सी हाउ वी सेटल. सो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट लेवल सपोर्ट शुड बी द 700 to 750 वाला जो जोन है, वहां पे वी माइट फाइंड सपोर्ट. तो देखते हैं कैसे होता है ऑन द हायर साइड. लेट्स सी हाउ वी रिबाउंड, एंड इफ वी कैन recover till 22,000 or not, that will be crucial to watch out. So on the stock of the day front, I think this one looks interesting. Not maybe for exactly for the today, but broadly maybe in the next week also this can be watch out. There's a very good fundamental in the stock. Recent earnings have been good. The sales growth has been excellent. Look at number of fund holding the stock increasing, right? The estimates are good for the growth. So broadly, it looks quite good. Plus, the base formation is fine. It has formed a consolidation base, and वो थोड़ा inverted head and shoulder वाला pattern भी बना है within the consolidation base. Plus, RSI is at a new high. And you can see the blue dot over here. When it is moving sideways, अभी जैसे base में sideways move दे रहा है, then the volume has dried up, which is positive. And like on Tuesday when it went higher, the volume was very strong. Yesterday when it went lower, the volume was a bit low. So overall, broadly, there is a lot of positivity in the setup, as well as the earnings estimates, earnings, and number of fund holdings. So this can be kept as a part of your watch list. It is just 6% to pivot. So let's see how it completes at 6%, and when it breaks out, the volume should be a very higher one. So then the 0 to 5% will be the ideal buy zone from the breakout. So let's see how it turns out. But broadly, it's a good story. Civil engineering projects, and the way infra growth is happening in the country. So they are in the highways, railways, metro, हर जगह पे है इनका काम. So let's see how it goes. So this can be the part of your watch list. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow on Monday. Sorry, at 8:45 a.m.